In previous video, we have seen system.out.println, and also I told you about print, that if you don't want a new line, you can use print, just print. Now we will talk about printf method and format method, where this printf is similar to the one that is used in C language. So if you are comfortable with this one, so you can directly start using it without learning more about this one. So let us learn it as a fresh topic. What is system.out.println, and this format is also similar. First of all, I will use this method and show you. So in this program, I will type system.out. Then I got all the list of methods inside this out object. Then I will press P. Then it will show all the methods starting with P. You can see this printf. Printf is taking two arguments. One is a string and the other one is the list of arguments, and this is variable arguments. This ... means variable arguments. You will be learning about this variable arguments later on, but actually this means you can give 0 or more arguments. Any number of arguments you can give. Now same way, one more printf is there which takes local information plus string format and variable arguments. Local information means it will take the information related to a location, that is geographical location. Means is it for India or Italy or France or USA or UK, something like this. So just we will use this first method, okay, and I will call this method, and here I will just print hello. I will not give anything. I will not give second argument, so second list of arguments are 0. Let us print. Yes, it is printing hello. You can see that just after hello, this message build successful is appearing. Means there is no line gap. And if you are familiar with the printf in C language, if you use /n, then it will take a new line. If I run this now, you can see hello, and then in the next line you will find build successful. Yes, so I have just given a message that is hello, and I have given just a string, and this string will contain a string message plus a format specifier. What is that format specifier? Let us see. So for that, I will first take few examples, then I will show you details of this one so that you can easily understand it. I have taken an integer type variable x and then float type of variable y, that is 12.56, then character type variable z, it contains a. Now I want to print these three things, right? This should be float, so I should write f here. So I want to print these things along with hello. So inside this string, I should use control character or format specifier %d for integer, %f for float, %c for character. Then after this string, I should mention all those variables, these three variables, x, y, and z. So first is x, because I am using %d, right, here. Then I am using f, so it should be float, so float is y. Then I am using c, that is character, so it should be z. Now what happens here is the value of x is kept in %d and y is kept inside f, and value of z is kept inside c. Then after that, new line is there, new line. Okay, I will do one thing. Here I will add one more word, that is world. Hello, then world. In between, I have three things to display. So how the message should look like? Hello, 10, 12.56, a, then world. Let us see the output. Yes, hello, 10, 12.56, right? 12.56, and it is showing 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros are there. Okay, we will learn about it. Then a, that is character, then string, that is world. So this is the method. So whatever you want to print from the variables, you must mention the variables outside, and within a string you can mention format specifiers, or they were also called as control characters, %d, f, and c. Now let us learn more about format specifiers. See, format specifiers are mentioned like this. First of all, percentile. Then the last one is conversion. Let us look at this first. Percentile, then the last one is conversion. Inside conversion, you can see the conversions here. C for character, and for integer, DOX. D is for decimal, okay, decimal number, and O is for octal, and X is for hexadecimal. You can use these conversions. And for float, F is for float as well as double. This works for both. And you can represent this in scientific notation, and this is also in scientific notation. For string, S is used. So just now I have shown you about character, integer and float. Let us look at them once again. I will show you this DOX. What are these? See, D means it will print in decimal form. If I give O here, what happens? It is showing 12, but the value of X is 10. Yes, it is showing in octal. If I write X here in place of percentile D, yes, this one percentile D, I change it to X. So it is showing in hexadecimal. This is letter. So 10 means A in hexadecimal. Yes. If you want to learn about hexadecimal, please check in Google, learn about it. Okay. So hexadecimal number, I am assuming that you already know it. So these are the conversions. Now for float, I'll do one thing. I'll remove this everything. I'll just take float so that you can see just one number. Okay. I'll remove this one. And then let us take just Y, which is having float number. Okay. So instead of F, I will give E. Let us see what happens. Oh, 1.256 E plus 01. Plus 01. So actually this is showing the number in scientific representation. So actually this becomes E power 1 means what? 10 to the power of 1. So if you multiply this number with 10 to the power of 1, it becomes 12.56. Let us change the decimal place. If I change the decimal place to 125.6, then let us see what it will show. 2 power 2. So 1.256 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2 will be 125.6. I'll show you like this. See, it is showing like this, 1.256. You leave the leading zeros, they don't have any value. Then E02. This means 1.256 into 10 to the power of 2. This is 1.256 into 10 to the power of 2 is 100. If you multiply anything by 100, then the decimal point will move by 2 places. So 125.6. This is the number. So it is showing in this form. And it is showing plus, E plus. Okay. Will it show minus also here? Yes, it will show minus also. When? I will show you here. See, I will change the number. I will move this decimal. And here I will say, okay, I will take just 0.0012. 0.0012. Let us see how it is printed. This is printed as 1.2. It is always showing decimal point after the first one digit, right? First digit. 1.200 leading zeros. Then E power minus 3 means 10 to the power of minus 3. Let us see how it will be. See, it is showing 1.2 e to the power of minus 3. So this means 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is 1.2 into 1 by 1000. So when you divide anything by 1000, then the decimal point will move on the left hand side by 3 places. So 1, 2 is there. This is 1 place. Then this is 2 place. Then this is 3 place. So it is moved by 3 places. So the number is 0.0012. So actual number is 1.0012. Yes, 0012. This is the number. So that's it. This is the scientific representation. So this will work for floats and doubles. You can try the numbers, different numbers. Then next, one more conversion I have shown you. That was string. So if you have a string, then you can give it like this. I will take a string also, that is str, and I will give the name Java program. Okay, Java program, that is enough, and semicolon. Now here I will write S and I will print str. Let us see. Hello Java program. Hello Java program. Hello is given in the string here. Then after that %s means Java program is printed. So I have shown you about various conversions. So we have seen percentile, then conversion. Then in between them we can write various things. So what are those? Let us learn about them. Now first thing is argument index. Argument index. I will explain this. Argument indexes are written with 1 then $2 then $3 then $. So what is that? I will use it and show you. It will be easy for understanding. This is system.out.printf. Okay, I will remove everything. I will write freshly, but the variables are already there. Okay, now here %1 then D, the next space, again %1 $D, then one more time %1 $D. Now the argument what I will give is X. What does it mean? This %D is a decimal, then which argument it should take? First argument. This is the only argument, X. Yes, this is the argument. And here also we are saying display integer. From where to take? The first argument. Right? This is argument index. Then third one also I want to print decimal, and that time also I am saying take the first argument. So this X will be printed 3 times. Let us check. 10, 10, 10. It is printed 3 times. Now I will change this little bit. After X, I will print Y. What is this argument number? Second. Now the middle one, I will change it. $2 See, first one is integer, second one is float, then third one is integer. First argument is X, that is integer. Second argument is Y, that is float. So I want to take first argument here, then second argument, then again first argument. Yes, this is 10 and this is a float number, then again 10. So what is the benefit? What is the benefit of giving argument index? See, you can give the arguments in any order and you can use them here at any place by giving their index. Now I will do one more thing. I will print a string also. Now this is the third argument and this is a string. Now you take time to read it properly. Third argument S, then second argument float, then first argument integer. I have given first integer, then float, then string, but I am printing first string, then float, then integer. So I have changed the order. So I can give the index of any argument and you can use that one. And also I can use the same argument multiple times. Let us run. So I got a string, Java program, then a float number, then integer number. Alright, so format specifier is independent of the order of arguments. In whichever order you mention, you can print them in the order as you like. This is the benefit of argument number. That's it. So we have finished this percentile and the conversion and this argument index. Now what is remaining is flag, width and precision. I will explain this in next lecture.